Okay, YouTube, let's try this again. Yeah. GoPros are a pain in the rear end, and shout out to all my favorite YouTubers. The work y'all put in, amazing. So we do got the locust, a couple poles. Let's go do this. Literally my first time with the new mount, so forgive me, people. I tried. Wish I could see what y'all could see. Alright, let's do this. Ooh. Here we go. Nice and slow. Yeah, I don't even want to really use the cork one, but I may have to. Okay, now what I got? We get one of these mad little bugs out. And I do think they are mad. And I'm sorry. But I need one of yous. If you rub their belly, they holler. Or trying to hook it in the horn like a shrimp. Definitely not a good hook.